Hello Vision Pro community, Swa here. I'm just going to do a short walkthrough on how to use Moonlight on a Windows desktop PC paired with the Apple Vision Pro. But as you can see, when you initially set it up, it's got some issues with black bars on the side, only showing 16 by 9. So let's fix that right now. So firstly, you are going to need Moonlight, as well as Sunshine, and then lastly you are also going to need the virtual display driver, and I will supply the links to all these on this post. So once Moonlight and Sunshine are installed, the virtual display driver will give you a zip which you'll need to unpack and copy. Then you're going to go over to your C drive, paste in that folder, and you're going to double click the install cert.bat, as well as opening the text file and adding in your custom resolution for your Vision Pro. So once all of that's configured, you're going to open up Device Manager and go to the display adapters. If this isn't enabled, you're going to right click and enable the driver for virtual display driver. And once you do that, head over to your display settings and scroll down. We have our first display. If you click on the second one, you can see that we have it configured for our resolution. But you can still see the black bars on the sides. So let's fix that. So initially when I had installed this, it took me a minute to figure out what was going on. Come to find out, Moonlight defaults to the main display. What I ended up doing was selecting the second display and checking the box that says make this my main display. If anyone knows the proper way to do this, let me know. One final thing is to ensure that you have your Mac Virtual Display resolution set properly in Moonlight. You can go in, and if you have another custom resolution, remember to add that to the options.txt with the display driver. So once all of that is dialed in and you launch Moonlight, you will be presented with your full screen, no black bars. The only quirky thing about this setup is having to keep track of where your windows are. So if it's on the other monitor, you'll use the Windows key and your arrows to bring that to this display. So once you're finished with your session on your Vision Pro, if you want to revert back to the previous settings, you just select your first display and you'll set that back to your main display. But if you are anything like me, you'll keep it set to the Vision Pro and play some Alan Wake.